Picked up a Fastway product, Flipjack foot, for 2 1/4, 6 inches of lift. Got this off of Amazon, really good price. $36, $34. And I'm hoping to alleviate the number of cranks that I have and the fact that I have to carry a block with me whenever I go RVing. So minus the jack stand, I usually carry that big piece of timber right there, and I have that foot. I'm tired of carrying that big piece of timber and dealing with that. Sometimes I have to add some and sometimes I don't. So that is about, I want to say 4 1/2, 5 inches with that piece of timber and including that foot. So what I'm going to use is this jack stand here. I'm going to crank the trailer up, use this jack stand, and I'm going to extend it so that I can take the pressure off of that and install that little product right there. So this is the pre-fitment. After that, come up like that and sit like that when it gets all said and done. That's not too bad. It's about the length of that post, which will help me out a lot. This fitment, since I already have a pre-drilled hole, it says cut a 1/2 inch off the bottom. And that's because when you cut a 1/2 inch off the bottom, you notice that this goes down a good ways, but when it's sitting right there, the hole that you're gonna drill with this pilot hole is gonna be like right real close to that. So if you take a 1/2 inch off of here, it'll move it up enough to where you'll have enough meat between the two holes that it won't break apart. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a 1/2 inch off of this. It says use a hacksaw, but in a matter of time and efficiency, I'm gonna use a Sawzall with a bimetal blade. See right there, bimetal. I don't have time to deal with this. So what I'll do is I'll get a 1/2 inch cut off so it'll move it up a little bit more, and then I will drill my hole with this pilot hole that's here, and we'll get it set up. So I'll be back. I'm not gonna let you watch the cutting of it, but we'll get a 1/2 inch cut out of there and see what it does. So along with the Sawzall and the grinding wheel and a level, kind of hit all points, make sure they're level crosswise, and it's pretty close. So also went and took this and set it flat against the back, and as you will see, sits pretty level. Not too much rocking or anything, so it's actually not too bad. Not as close as we're gonna get without having to install. It cuts pretty straight. So that's done. Now I'm gonna bring the block back over, put the Fastway product down, and use the pre-drill holes and drill it. Okay, holes are drilled. Stepping drill bit, and I had to go find an electric drill because my battery drill ran out. Stepped it up to 1/2 bolt. Bolt fits in there tight, so we're good there. So we'll put it on and we'll show you how it works. Alright, there it is installed. As you can see, this little coupler here goes up here, it stops it, causes the foot to rotate back up, just like that. Now I will say this, on the foot, make sure that it's all the way down, so before you push it all the way down, against this back piece here, It does have some disclosures on it. Make sure the vehicle is chalked, or the trailer is chalked before you put this foot down. So what I'm going to simulate is the use of it would be in on the truck. It should bring the leg all the way up, and it should flip up here in a second. There we go. Just like that. Out of the way. You go back down with it. It's down. Make sure that you at least keep it moving forward when it goes down. Bring it forward. As you watch that piece goes down, it should level out, and it does. And jack the trailer up. So then I got about that much for it to drop all the way down before you hit this washer. So any more, and the trailer would be too far down, so I think that'd keep it level, but we'll see how it goes. So that's the Fastway Flipjack on an extremely windy day.